we got the new 6-pack of injectors installed in this 3116 Caterpillar engine, all mechanical. We just fired it up, rolled it out, let it warm up. It's not smoking like it was in previous videos. I'm happy with it. Customer's happy with it. It's got plenty of power again. Now we just got to get back out here, perform a service on it, and then it does need 6 new tires, so we're going to be doing that as well. And then we got to work on this inner tractional. This one's the actual jet fuel truck. That one just is 100 low lead fuel. This is jet fuel truck. So this one just needs a service and some small stuff taken care of. Beautiful day out here at the airport. Ain't no planes taking off though. So we'll see how this goes.